My name is Jens Hanneman. I'm a professor of computer science here at Kentucky State University. And among other things, I teach classes on video game design and development. And video games are just a special class of simulations that are used in engineering and computer science today. And studying them will not only teach you how to make video games, but enables you also to do work in other areas such as spacecraft simulation or, to the point, pandemic modeling. So, in this workshop, we'll be writing a clone of the 1972 classic video game Pong. And we'll be using the Python programming language and the game engine called Pygame. It's a 2D game engine. And we'll start completely from scratch. And we'll see that we'll be able to write Pong in about 220 lines of code. While Pygame is a relatively small game engine, we'll encounter all the classic design elements of video games and how game engines support that design. So everything you learn here will be applicable to modern sophisticated 3D game engines such as Unreal and Unity. So you can find the code for this. If you ever get stuck, you can find the code on my GitHub page, and the development history of the code in GitHub reflects actually how you'll write the game, so you can actually follow each steps. There are also written instructions in that repository as well. So, and GitHub is actually a great place to show off and host code, and you'll find lots and lots of other video games, not only for Pygame, but also for Unity and Unreal. There's a little bowling game that I made for Unity as well, if you want to have a look at that kind of stuff. So, welcome again, and let's install Python and Pygame, and let's get going.